Good morning, America. This is Malcolm here with another Faction Motorsports Hot Lap. Hot Lap number 94, January 19th. Happy MLK Day. Rest in peace. Power to the people. Today, I have a co-host. No, it is not her. It is him. Say hello, Chip. The camera's that way, dude. The camera's this way. This is my dog, Chip. Any words? Yeah, that's my dog, Chip. He's got 3 legs, so bear with me. He might be a little slow. It's his first time on camera. Let's go. It is January 19th. We got about 2 weeks left until the end of the month, right? 12 days. All right, so 12 days. So you got 12 days left to order something from our website to be entered to win a free Origin Lab body kit. You need a body kit. Yikes. Yeah, so every $5 spent on the website is 1 entry into the giveaway. Every Faction Motorsport branded products is 2 entries. So $5 is then worth 2 entries. This giveaway did really well last January. And we're hoping for the same outcome. Everybody could use a free body kit. Right, Chip? You could use a body kit? No, he needs a front lower arm, actually. What else? Oh, if you haven't seen or shared our ad on the internet yet, please do that. Give it a like, share it. Yeah, it's our first ad that we kind of put some effort into. Sort of, kind of. I don't know if you guys saw it already. My fiance, Princess, she did the voiceover. So go share that and get it around. Let's get some orders in, some shop work in. Let's put that baby to work. What else we got? Ken, do you have any parts?
Do I have any parts?
Any parts of the week?
Parts of the week.
What did you check in today?
Bunch of Nissan parts.
Bunch of Nissan parts. They're on the website. Go check them out. Oh, look at this. We're all sold out of these, so we got to re-up on these. We only got 1 left. Well, this is the one we used for the shop. But thank you for everybody who's been ordering the Ramstead wheel fitment tool. It is a sponsor of our podcast and seems to be doing pretty well. Those are one of our top sellers now. We're all sold out. Got to re-up on them, so put your orders in now so you can get them ASAP. All right, let's see what's in the shop. Wow, no music playing. Come on, Chip, where you at? There we go. Come on, co-host. Frankie actually worked on this, not on camera over the weekend, unfortunately. Why does he always decide to do it? That guy's, I don't know. But I don't know if you saw that rust that we found underneath the battery in the last 350Z video, but he fixed it all. So look at that. Sanded, primed, looking fresh. Now I just got a new battery tray. He's going to put it all back together. Got the new hardware for the battery tray. He ordered engine mounts. So we should be working on that pretty soon. What else is in the shop? Come on, Chip. You need an alignment, buddy? No? All right. Got this purple 240 here. Just getting some maintenance done. What else is getting done? What have you done so far?
Rear camber arms in the back. Roll defenders, alignment, set the height, and that's the control arms were serviced. I put new bushings in it and ball joints, and I think that's it.
Yeah, give this car a look. I'm into this car. Looks pretty nice. What do you think, Chip? Yeah, that's what I said. This
guy knows everything.
Yeah. This thing's pretty cool. It's pretty clean underneath the engine bay.
It's that tuner.
Yeah, Chip is our tuner. He's chipped. He knows how to chip these cars. Right, Chip? That's what I'm saying. Yeah, take a look at this thing. It's very JDM inspired. Look, even got the Boss coffee in the cup holder. Yeah, this guy came straight from overseas. Yeah, thing's pretty cool. Pretty cool. This thing's gonna drive like a dream now. This car was actually here for quite a while. It was in our car storage, which we offer. He was storing it here for a few months. So if you're in need of that in these snowy months, come on down. We could throw your thing in the back. What else we got on here? We got some comments on the last hot lap. Hello, friend. I am Zach says, "Yo, what are those shoes Malcolm is wearing? Pretty fresh." I'm not wearing them today. Those were I was wearing my outdoor sandals last time. Those are called Bedrock sandals. Go look them up. They're pretty cool, pretty durable. They got Vibram soles too. JS Drag says, "Can't wait for the shop/car checks." Yes, we are. We're already planning. Well, the boys are already planning that Texas trip at the end of the month. Am I right? Texas? Or end of next month? In the next coming month or two. Yeah, they're going to be traveling around for podcasts and videos, so be on the lookout. I think the first stop is Texas. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. What is this guy doing? Yo, get to work, Chip. That's what I'm saying. Major install day. Oh, that was the last YouTube video. You guys put out a video on doing some upgrades on a 2018 Honda Civic Si. Handgun Pat says, "After seeing Chris's toolbox, you guys should do a toolbox tour of everyone in the shop. Would be cool to hear their perspective on tools that are game changers or ones that are not worth it. Also, when do you buy that specialty tool versus taking a couple extra minutes with what you have to do to get the job done?" That's some good content. Good content ideas. Well, as you see, Jesus already has a new toolbox. We kind of did a toolbox tour on yours, half and half. Chris has some upcoming changes coming very soon. So once Chris finalizes and moves his inventory, we'll definitely probably do a little side-by-side toolbox thing with everybody. Yeah. Now I think Frankie's gonna have the smallest toolbox. Well, he don't really do much. The Captain Bob commented on that Honda Civic video, said, "Coming from the heavy diesel world, I work heavy line that the kids can't stand up to." Oh, damn. "I will say that clutch is gosh darn cute." Damn. Calling this a little man job. I can imagine those diesel trucks. Those clutches are probably the size of that van right there. I think it probably fit. That's probably the same size as the transmission in a freaking 18-wheeler. What are you eating, bro? Look at this. He's eating dirt. Why are you eating? It's all in your beard, bro. Come on, man. What do you have to say for yourself? That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Oh, last podcast, episode 186, we had Alan Kyle on. He's a local Club Lucian, local stance car guy, local fuck a car up type of guy. But he makes him look good somehow. Got a few people who commented on that podcast. Alan commented himself and said, "Somebody had to set the bar for the worst pod to date. Well, I'll be damned." But then Yoda Bear said, "Nah, it was a pretty good pod." So half and half. I guess people liked it, Alan. You're good. Rob Zerowitz said, "He was a hoot. Guess I'm going Nismo wing." Yeah, that's the wing that Frankie wants for that car. But yeah, dude, if you want to listen to that podcast, be sure to at least make it to the later half of it, because Alan was spitting some knowledge. I got to keep an eye on that guy. He might steal something. Alan was spitting some knowledge on Z33 and G35, Aero, stuff like that. He's like an encyclopedia for that chassis. So be sure to listen to the later half of that if you want to listen to something you know, like the main substance, the main. Yep, the main part. Oh, let's see if we got some Instagram questions. Chip, come over here. Chip, there he is. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Come on, boy. That's what I'm saying. All right. Okay. Well, Eddie put up a prompt on the Instagram. It says, ask us questions or give us your hot take. Chris Nazaro, he sent this in. Can you see that? It's a little cat. What do you have to say about that? I guess this question was for you, Chip. Oh, yeah, you don't like it. You don't like her. Let's see what other questions. Final Lap Steve. Dude, keep it down. Final Lap Steve says, opinions on the AE86. I have two myself, and I'm curious what you guys think of them in general. What do you think about AE86, Jesus?
If it's a nice, clean one, yeah, I like them. They're cool.
Nice and pure?
Yeah. If he has two, I would keep one pure and one swap. Because 16 valve and 20 valve, sorry guys, that thing is slow as dirt. But they're good track cars. I'll give it that. Like for like spirited driving, like in the mountains and stuff.
Yeah.
But other than that, slow.
Yeah. Slow as dirt. Chris, what do you think? Opinion on an AE86?
Good car. For what it is.
Would you own one?
No.
Why not?
Too old.
Too old.
If I could find a clean one for cheap, yeah.
He likes them young. It's too mature for him.
This Livio's a 91.
Ooh. What year's your car?
87.
87.
Dark, yeah, dark.
When was the AE86 made? 86 to what? 85 to 87?
84 to 86, I think.
Yeah.
84 to 6? Hmm. Why is Chip? What are you checking the toe on that? Oh, he's doing an MPI on this. What do you find? What did you find? Yeah. 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 What other question did we have? What's the best looking new 15-inch wheel? New?
New? I know they used to make them before, but the work equips. What Corolla came in here? It was a A86. We got it brand new one time. I gotta find it.
Work equips.
Yeah, I'll find it. Hold on.
Do. Anyway, what are you doing here, Chris?
Fixing some old vents.
Oh, those are like universal metal clips you're attaching?
Yeah, you just hit the little button here, that heats up, then it sticks in the metal and just makes it stronger so it doesn't break.
Oh, it's like a
This was already broken. I'm just trying to, do the customer a favor.
it's like a metal stitch for plastic.
Basically. Yeah.
Oh, here, he found the wheel.
The work equip 40s. Whoa, no, I don't want a discount because I ain't trying to buy nothing.
Top right.
There it is. I can see it. I'm blind. There it is.
Work equip. That's kind of a cool looking wheel.
Yeah.
How much are those?
Apparently there's some these. I think it's for the set it's $2,000.
Wait, that expensive? I mean, it's a
For brand new, for 15-inch wheels.
Pretty
Not
good.
bad. Yeah.
there you have it. Work. Oh yeah, let's see it in action. Go on the other side, Eddie. All right.
Is that about there?
Then it heats up, sinks into the plastic.
No, you don't want to go through. Give it a second to cool.
And then pull it out. And then what do you do with those? Just fold them over?
No, you just cut them off.
Oh, cut them.
Sand them down, and that's it.
just like that.
Just like that.
Have you repaired a lot of stuff with this before?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. This is for this 300ZX.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, she. Now what can you do for the dash?
You know.
Look through here, Eddie. You just put a Coverlay dash on there, I assume, which we have on our website. Order up. All right, well, be sure to check out our Patreon. Be sure to check out the podcast this week. It's coming on Wednesday nights. It's going to be live on the Patreon if you want to check it out live. It's going to be Ron from Daring One's Drift Team, local drift team with our boys John, Ron, and Eric. 2 BRZs on that team and a NC Miata. NC? Yeah. So, be in sync, yeah. Be on the lookout. It's going to be live on the Patreon. Would you like to have any last words? That's what I'm saying, bro. He's just spitting facts every time. I hear you, though. Yeah. Chip was asking about the body kit giveaway, and I said he doesn't need a body kit. He needs a front lower arm. So. Yeah. And yeah, you're gonna buy something when we give away some arms, Chip. I'll let you know. Boing, 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 boing. Okay, well, that's it for today. I'll let Chip close this one out. Here you go, Chip. Come on. Here. Speak. 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 There you go. See you next week, guys. Speak. Speak. Get him, get him, get him, get him.
He's really going.
He slipped. He's drifting. See ya. All right. Bye. Good boy. Sit. 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 Good job. You're great. You're a natural.
We are giving away products every month at factionmotorsports.com, so every $5 spent gets you 1 entry, and Faction Motorsports merch and products get you double entries. For this month, we're giving away an Origin Labo body kit, so this is one of our biggest giveaways of the year. So definitely head over there and put those orders in this month to make sure you get your next body kit locked down for 2026.